I used the 6x8 paper pad called Crafty Things and made 2 different mini albums with them. I will show you that in this video. Let's get started. Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and this is part of my Paper Stash Smash, where each month we try to smash things that are in our stash and show you how we've done that as inspiration, so maybe you will want to smash things in your stash. So I picked up 2 of these 6x8 paper pads from Simple Stories called Crafty Things, and one I used to make a craft themed album, and another one I used to make more of a generic album. Let me show you both of those. This first one is the one I made using a non-crafty theme. So it's amazing how you can take one paper pad that's got a certain theme and make it more generic just by not using certain elements in it. These 2 were the prototypes of a tutorial I made showing you how to make this, and I figured out you could do it with the coils from the cinch like I used in this one, or planner discs, or even those metal rings. I made sort of a formula, like you put a certain number of pages aside for the cover, a certain number of pages aside for the pages, and then different scraps and embellishments to decorate. And I even show you how to decorate in the tutorial and the cutting guide. So let me show you the other album. This is the Crafty one using the planner discs, and the pages are all 4 by 6. The paper pad was 6 by 8. I simply folded the pages in half. Again, there's a tutorial. It's already been published. I will link it in the description box. I also have a how-to cutting guide, more or less, in my coffee shop. So I just wanted to show you these real quick. I've got other albums using the same kind of format, so I thought it's a good way of using those 6x8 paper pads, and throughout the year I'll probably grab this again and try to use up more of my paper stash. Thank you so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.